Where is this brand new car coming from? Where did you get money to build this new house? You have never developed capacity. You haven't earned it. Where is it coming from? You don't ask questions. You enjoy it and give him more sex and encourage him to go kill, lie, steal, scheme, destroy, make money at the expense of poor people. And you don't understand the implication. I'm not cursing anybody, but I'm telling you by authority, make no mistakes. The evil that men do, live after them. Make no mistake. Hear me. Hear me. The law of sowing and reaping.
Abuso from Mamunya no kwaba the Ghana and same TV so. One more so like video the best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Send be next time. Videos of this nature about on sabit me at Kobi. Now so watch our comment section them. Say the munya me from Mr. President. Na said the die from Mr. President and one sem so one of my if by chance they offer na person contribute to your work. The person boy adwuma ya na idea. The patron number na was on you can reach out to you. Na yes abeka na better was so. Na Mr. Saka video na ka say adudi nya metiase. Me nka say pi no make video me koba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me bania discuss issues bi. Yon ko message here.
Because they push for their party to come to power, even though they don't have capacity, they are given position without capacity, they misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before. You've never set up any business. You don't pay taxes. How come suddenly you come home with briefcase of money? Where is this money coming from? Where is this brand new car coming from? Where did you get money to build this new house? You have never developed capacity. You haven't earned it. Where is it coming from? You don't ask questions. You enjoy it and give him more sex and encourage him to go kill, lie, steal, scheme, destroy, make money at the expense of poor people. And you don't understand the implication. I'm not cursing anybody, but I'm telling you by authority, make no mistakes. The evil that men do, live after them. Make no mistake. Hear me. Hear me. The law of sowing and reaping does not need your address or your telephone number. When it is time for you to reap, it will find you. As long as you belong to a party, when your party comes into office, you are given a position to the national cake, and you take what you please and you want at the expense of the suffering of the citizen. Make no mistake. And you think you are going free. No. You will end up with some evil disease. And we live in a society that is passive and a coward society. You see what is wrong and nobody talks. Everybody is hiding. A day will come. A day will come when truth shall emerge. It doesn't matter how long you hide it. A day will come when truth shall emerge. You think you are powerful today. We are destroying one another. We are destroying the country because this party only comes to power to make money.
Eko this kaka create we gu hwani mu asepoto o wen na wi aye use social media no so afa na udi americana okay so na ma say I've been given the information that it's not true and why you didn't do cross check because Ghanafuor do ben tiri me gina onye giri ya beti embe bro ya bon kan wonwunan without due diligence, without proper research, cross check. Kotene kugu when mu asese ka kwasia na obi anhwe utebisebi udwan ya waye na mento aso yenko.
And the contract was for over $2.5 million.
Why onim skani po 2.5 and the contract was 2.8 debi yesi kwasia yesi na ade to okasa kankan mu adu nti ugina we journalism ni na ya aka Real Madrid best 4 Roma best 5 no Al Jazeera phone be yi o meyi wo Max TV kwasia kwa we adwuma And Ronaldo get the ball, Ronaldo get the ball, Ronaldo get the ball. You go. Ghanafuor commentary. Yeah, I am one. Last somebody camera told about Kobi so commentary. While running chat and 50 be at 10. Now one met me at here. One met me at here. One met me at here. There be. Hey boy. Now me can those times to tie cabinet judge Japan and my commentary were radio so
They push for their party to come to power.
Wait,
Even though they don't have capacity.
man of God, wait.
They push
I say
for
wait.
their party to come to
Hey, man of God, wait. You push for Onye to come to power. Kobi. Inti Badu Kobi, what's the name? Yeah, part 1 and 2. Fight of the Titans. Sofo Aircon. Yanko.
You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you?
Cheap man.
Cheap man. And now you come and say, the president's come me.
Yeah.
It's shit. You didn't let this come from your mouth. No president helped me. I built my auditorium. No president helped Badu. He built his auditorium. No president helped other men of God. They built that. Only you want politicians to build for you. What a shameful man. Disgraceful man.
You go reach everybody.
You are getting money, buying cars. Doing nonsense things.
Yes, nonsense.
Waiting for a political party. What a shame.
Hey. And then
And followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense.
Now Badu Kobi sana out here. Hey, nenti Sofo penny ben papa na wet me aye na sa Yay. Obi says left with Ajinasari and Kranchanka very soon. Okay. Now and metia kasa na minya new mail from the United States of America on White House. See down on here. Ellen baby info. I'm at there, and I free White House at the Bremen. My patro, my young goatee, and I might a bomb water. Young goatee, young
They push for their party to come to power.
Yeah.
Even though they don't have capacity.
Can you imagine?
They are given position without capacity.
What?
They misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before.
Hey, Debbie. Sofo. No, Sofo. We are not going, no, Sofo, no. You are not going to do that. Or a pastor and a reverend and a Dr. Duncan Williams and no there. Or no there. Sofo. Pastor Debbie, pastor not just what to so. Reverend Meboa. Hey, Debbie, Archbishop. Hey. Archbishop, this one we shall not allow you. Archbishop, you cannot say that. How can you say they are not working? They are working. They are work for NDC. They work together with you to insult Nanado, to tell Nanado that the dollar must stop. The dollar, I raised the city. So they worked. Hey, now, right there. Kwesi. So today, Duncan Williams is telling us that the NDC boys, they've never worked in their life. Sir. Oh, really? Target. And yes, landlord obey too. Because they are been 4 way by an among guys and ansenya. What can I say? Sebion prediasa. Abronya koka sembi manyan de. Enunti oko Israel. Eko jare wo red Jordan mu. Eba ba Ghana. Se osuru kasa, se wonu won katwi. Won ka brofo. Woka osuru kasa yeti kromu ha. Ano pega na ni hwa bepo. Ano ka kuhum kaha muha me na me fi se wifo yen yetem. Ye jina ho Emma Duncan William the wifo tem, we base tem ebe ka kire ye say yo osuru kasa. Da be no kumo yi yenim se kumo kumo eja na so yes kumo yes so kasa enu nti ye de adome abronye nti na abronye ho eye febe ma je no ase na me na me se duabon ese nipa me nim se duabon ma nipa ye fine e na no me hwe me chairman na se so chairman ye jalala ase ne kakra am se chairman ho ya kono papa abronye ho ya kono na se duabon bitumi siesie nipa sei e na ya nkwaji bia me de osu bempa nko na me ma ne bo me dua yi Sanka Duncan Williams bomi dua ka mabra bo asesa na hwa abronye de awayo no me toche unya chema mpo na nse ya iba omi ase o yi onkoja no wasori da mu okwa yi church service na chema ya say ni tiri ho kama na hwe ne shirt kama bi e se pass yes we a lawyer ni papa mpa abronye we correct Yetina ha Ghanafuor tina ha Emma Duncan William Betutu Pimpinis se koko boto anyama koko boto anyama se wono no soro di bibia se nanum nti abronye wawu no betina ho u kumo na msi yo wi ne sa ne beyew wo Sofo we di Sofo over 50 years wo da so bo wi ye kra ye yi kra ne se ne bebire jai. They say yanum bin krati ana binum de yo. Wanum wiya konum wiya de akoka so kasa na kumo. Na woka kumo na mu so boa na me ka se duabo we enko ba bia. Oye kumo kuhu kaha na me so boa. Duncan William so boa nyankopon ankoka kumo bia ko kumo eye yen ghetto boys eye kasa. Yakumoa a peace and love. That is our language. Yen we for no dia no. Rastaman throw one stone. No, uchia we ni no acheka kra no ayi no utwenu mi kumu no we dia mukua na eko kumu Babe dada Ghanafuor say osuru nyame de ade aso nti no o man 72 hours. If the God I serve is still there, then 72 hours, the heavens will change. Mala, mula, muta. And then they did the job. Into a being a juma. Archbishop. And then the way I wear Sabas and telling them more, baby, I will be say. Any idea you go to need a Japadi, I'm almost a woman. I told you people the Bible you hold will disgrace you people before this guy's term comes to an end. You people thought I was joking. Me say before their term goes to an end, every pastor who calls our prayer meeting be everyone sakoto Mahama so say we ni nyame dobano you will suffer the consequence cause what say Ghanafuor that thing, what say Ghana nkola that thing, what say Ghana Kokofuor, what say Ghana Kuafuor that thing. That is the principle. You don't use politics to cover your face to destroy somebody. Destroy. Come to power and think that, oh no, who say you'll be a would be the idea, who be the kama. Who be do see Kobi the G? Dab no, be do see Kobi the G. And Pabono Crasana will be the Abba. And Pibon in here. And Sanam, a messy abone, you know. Say no costa here. Katum sabum lamatum. Sadukatum. Lakadatum. Elumtum. Kabum. Kwa siakasa say, you better say, Yanko pon the canwe. Onyamin sira why kodo medase why medase pass what trodi aba nkwasi asem we no okeka no ho no katum sabum lamatum yoyate sadukatum yoyate lakadatum yoyate elimatum kabum ya yo ebebom kabum ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper. Because of your Range Rover, be I will be them as I be I will be Jenna sorry be a debamount. You guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mammy Tio last time got me free.
How come
Unti your mama we Jimmy Dodo? We are kwasia. Se when you 8 billion, na untimi pianes if we are bois. Se when you 8 billion, when you bosia na akobo, aye, NDC for na galam say so na sami dem fie chinchimo.